Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there Batty fans, welcome to a little bit more subtraction with the Batty Boffin. Now, in earlier videos we looked at some of the ones where you get things like 3 take away 7 can't do it, and we unpacked one from the next column along. But what happens if you've got something like this where a whole load of the columns are zeros? Well, let's have a look. Normally we'd be going here, we go 0 take away 4, can't do it, let's unpack one of those to make 10 of these. But there aren't any there. Thinking of our place value pizzas kind of analogy, this is your units, your pizzas, so you have no pizzas in your shop. Stacks of 10 on the shelves at the back. Well, you have no stacks of 10 on the shelves at the back either. Boxes of 100 in the warehouse, you haven't got any of those. But trucks of 1,000 outside in the car park, yes, you have one truck of 1,000. So what are you going to do? Your customer wants to buy 4 pizzas. You can't sell him any pizzas because you haven't got any. You can't unpack a stack of 10 because there aren't any. You can't unpack a box of 100 because there aren't any. But you can unload a truck. So that's what we're going to do. So we unload one truck. So now there are no trucks, and each truck holds 10 boxes of 100. So now you have 10 boxes of 100. So let's unpack one of those. So now you have 9 boxes of 100, but 10 stacks of 10. And then we can unpack one of those. So now we have 9 stacks of 10 and 10 actual pizzas. Now we can serve the customer. 10 take away 4, that's 6. 9 take away 7 is 2, and 9 take away 2 is 7, and that's a 0. So the answer is 726. So here's another one for you to have a quick go at. Back in a couple of seconds. Right, here are some for you to have a go at. Couple with the thousands, hundreds, tens and units up here. That one's only got 1 0, so it's quite nice and easy. That one's got quite a few zeros. And down here we've stretched out another place to the 10,000s and a few zeros in there. So pause the video and have a go with those, see how you get on. Welcome back. So let's have a go at those together. 2 take away 1, that's easy, it's 1. 3 take away 5, can't do that, swipe one from next door, unpack one of these. But there aren't any, so we'll have to unpack one of these. So instead of 4 thousands, we only have 3 thousands, but now we've got 10 hundreds. Now we can unpack one of the hundreds. So that leaves you with 9 hundreds and 13 tens. 13 take away 5, we can do that. That's 8. And now we've got 9 take away 3, which is 6, and 3 take away 2, which is 1. 1,681. I hope you got that. Next one. 0 take away 7. Can't do that. Unpack one from next door. Except there aren't any there. And there aren't any there. But there are some there. So we'll unpack one of these. It's like unpacking a truck. So now there are only 5 trucks, but there are 10 boxes of 100. Unpack one of those. There are 9 boxes of 100, but 10 stacks of 10. Unpack one of those. There are 9 stacks of 10 and 10 actual pizzas. So now we can serve the customer. 10 take away 7, that's 3. 9 take away nothing, that leaves you with 9. You see, you would have thought that a 0 take away 0 would have a 0 down there, wouldn't you? But actually it's a 9. 9 take away 3, that's 6. And 5 take away 4 is 1. So 1,693. And the last one, the big one down at the bottom. 0 take away 1, can't do it. Unpack one of these, aren't any there. Unpack one of these. So we now have 6 of those and 10 of these. Unpack here, 9 of those and 10 of these. 10 take away 1, that's 9. 9 take away 3 is 6. 6 take away 9, can't do it. Unpack one of these, but there aren't any. Unpack one of these. So here's 5 with 10 in the next column, and then we unpack one of those to make 9 there and an extra 10 in the next column. So that's 16 take away 9, which is 7. Then we have 9 take away 5, which is 4, and 5 take away 2, which is 3. To find out how to pronounce that, here's the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 34,769. So, there you go. Hope you did well with those, and I'll see you in the next video, Batty fans.
Mwahaha! Mwahaha! Mwahaha!